Welcome you to the house I'll be buying with all your dreams.
Oh, it seems too much to expect you to prepare breakfast, serve it, and still sit with us. Wouldn't you prefer to eat when all the work is done, Ella? Or should I say Cinderella?
Come true. Well, you guys, it's like midnight and I just finished my video. I know this is not like in your face, but I wanted something glamorous. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back for another episode. All the products that I use for this look will be down in the description box below. Make sure you look down there for any products that you might want to use. Um, yeah, like get into it, sis. Look at that. Look at the highlight. I know you can see it. But anyway, um, thank you guys for coming back. I love you guys so much. And now let's get into the video. So what you're going to do is you're going to wipe your face with any makeup wipe that you have. And I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer before I set it with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in Deep. And then I'm going in with two different foundations. One is from e.l.f. and the other one is from Black Radiance. And those shades will be down in the description box. Now I'm going in with two different concealers. One is from Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cafe, and the other one is Rimmel London's Stay Matte Concealer in Golden Amber. Now I'm going in with a eyebrow pencil that I got off of wish.com. I don't remember the brand per se, but if I do happen to remember, it will be down in the description box. And I'm using that same concealer from Rimmel London to shape up my brows and just clean around them. And now we're gonna set with our AIRSPUN translucent powder before we do our eyeshadow. And I'm going in with my Profusion Cosmetics Nude Eyes palette. I love this palette so much because it really deepens the eyelid if you're putting on this transitioning shade color. So I went in with my brown shade first, and then I went in with the NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Edit palette, and it's like an orange coral shade in the inner corner, and then for the rest of the eye I just use a mixture of the pink and purple shades and just blended it all the way out to the outside of my eye. And I'm so sorry guys, but I don't know what happened. I had did so much to my face and nothing recorded. So here we are. So what you didn't see is I added some more of the pink and purple shades to the entire outside perimeter of my face. And I added a green color from the NYX palette to my under eye. And now I'm going in with some of the black shade. I don't remember the name, but I'll put it in the description box below, from the Profusion Nude Eyes palette, and just making a smoky cat eye with that shade. And then I went over some of it with my Maybelline eyeliner, and I wanted to try something different with the eyeliner. And so as you can see, I'm drawing like a line over the edge where my eye creases naturally. So when I do close my eyes, not close my eyes, but like when I open my eyes, the line will still show. And I'm using one of Maybelline's eyeliners in black, and I'm going in with another eyeliner in brown. I believe it's a Maybelline. It's either Maybelline or Revlon's eyeliner in brown to outline my lip. And I'm going in with the matte lipstick for my top lip, in another lipstick shade for the bottom lip. And I'm going in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner. I mean, not eyeliner. What am I talking about? What's it called? Mascara. Before I put my lashes on. And then after putting the lashes on, I went with another round of mascara. And I love using this highlighter. It's from Maybelline. It's their Macus. What is that, girl? Their Master highlighter. It's the purple shade. It's a very nice color on brown skin. So I'm glad I purchased it. That's our look for today. Our, vindictive, beautiful, seductive stepmom look. Let me be your new stepmom, okay? If you want this look, make sure you look down in the description box below to get all the details of what I used in this video for this look. This is my favorite look yet in terms of the eyes, because I think I outdid myself. My skills are getting better, girl, okay? Look out. Watch out now. It's the little one, and it's not Bow Wow. Anyways, thank you for tuning in to another episode of House of Horrors. Until next time, bye.